Get aim! What's up guys, welcome back to Stealth Brian. Today we are doing a Nerf Battle Royale. I'm Brett, this is James, and if you get shot 3 times with a Nerf dart, then you're out. 1 shot with a rocket, it's instant kill. Let's get right into this. Ready, set, let's go! Woohoo! I'm screwed. Oh, rocket launcher. The wrench on this thing and this thing is garbage. He's by the rock, he's coming towards me. He has an RPG. I'm in a good spot. I have the sniper. Oh, rocket malfunction. Get the correct shooting spot, and he'll be done. The wind's in my favor, and so is his ammo. Oh god. He has such a better gun. This thing, I have this thing. Close quarters combat. He could just destroy me at any range right now. I think he's got another gun. He's got close rifle, damn it. Get aim! And hit! Dead. So without a rifle, I'm pretty much done. I managed to actually tag him with the Hades. I think the 60 rounds definitely comes with an advantage. He ran out of ammo twice and went for the cheeky rocket.
Yeah, you need
2 or 3
rounds
times.
because you can't hit me with any of them.
Edit that out.
Not gonna happen.
Woo!